Welcome to our exploration of the business economic environment. Today, we delve into the factors that shape how businesses operate and make decisions, from microeconomic elements like buyer behavior to macroeconomic influences such as government policies. We'll cover it all. Our journey begins with understanding these complex dynamics. Let's dive in and uncover the economic forces at play. Understanding the economic environment is crucial for strategic decision-making. These elements affect purchasing power, business costs, and economic performance. While businesses can't control these factors, they must navigate them effectively. It forms the backdrop against which businesses operate. Key components include inflation, interest rates, and unemployment. Inflation raises costs, while interest rates affect borrowing. Unemployment impacts consumer demand and wage levels. Each component plays a vital role in shaping business strategies. We'll explore how these elements influence the UK market. Inflation refers to the rising prices of goods and services. It increases costs for businesses and reduces consumer purchasing power. Companies like Tesco respond by adjusting prices or promotions. Understanding inflation helps businesses manage costs effectively. It's a critical factor in the economic environment. Interest rates determine the cost of borrowing and savings returns. High rates can dampen consumer spending and business investments. Companies like Barclays adjust loan rates accordingly. Businesses must consider interest rates in their financial planning. This factor significantly influences economic activities. Understanding unemployment trends helps in staffing decisions. High unemployment can lower consumer demand but reduce wage costs. Unemployment measures the active workforce without jobs. Companies like Amazon may benefit from a larger talent pool. It's a crucial component of the economic landscape. Economic growth signals increase production and consumption. It encourages businesses to invest and expand, as seen with Greg's opening new stores. Growth reflects strong consumer demand and economic vitality. Businesses thrive in such environments, seeking opportunities for expansion. It's a positive indicator for the economy. Exchange rates affect the cost of imports and exports. A weak pound benefits exporters like Jaguar Land Rover, but raises import costs. Businesses must navigate these fluctuations in international trade. Understanding exchange rates is vital for global competitiveness. They play a significant role in the economic environment. Disposable income is what remains after taxes for spending or saving. It influences demand for goods, especially luxury items. Companies like Morrison's adjust pricing strategies based on income levels. Understanding disposable income helps tailor marketing efforts. It's a key driver of consumer behavior. Consumer confidence reflects optimism about financial futures. High confidence boosts spending, while low confidence leads to saving. Retailers like Currys see increased sales with rising confidence. Businesses monitor this closely to adjust marketing strategies. It's a dynamic factor in the economic landscape. Pricing strategies are influenced by economic factors like inflation and demand. Businesses adjust prices to maintain competitiveness and profitability. Understanding the economic context aids in setting effective pricing. It's a strategic tool for navigating market conditions. Businesses must stay agile in their pricing approaches. Interest rates and economic growth guide investment decisions. Companies assess these factors when considering expansion or delays. Strategic investment planning ensures long-term success. Interest rates impact the cost and feasibility of investments. Businesses must align their plans with economic indicators. Economic indicators like consumer confidence and income levels shape marketing. Businesses tailor promotions and advertising to current conditions. Understanding these indicators helps in crafting effective strategies. It's about aligning marketing efforts with economic realities. Businesses must be responsive to economic changes. Unemployment rates affect recruitment costs and labor availability. Businesses like Amazon adjust staffing based on these trends. Understanding unemployment helps in strategic workforce plannings. It's about balancing costs with talent acquisition. Businesses must navigate these dynamics in their HR strategies. Exchange rates impact the cost of raw materials and imports. Businesses manage these costs to protect profit margins. Understanding currency fluctuations is crucial for financial planning. It's about maintaining stability amid changing economic conditions. Businesses must adapt to these external influences. Microeconomic factors include buyer behavior and supply-demand dynamics. These elements directly influence pricing, output, and marketing. Businesses must understand these to make informed decisions. It's about leveraging microeconomic insights for competitive advantage. These factors shape everyday business operations. Macroeconomic factors like GDP growth and taxation affect business strategies. Companies monitor these indicators for long-term planning. Understanding the broader economic environment aids in strategic decision-making. It's about aligning business goals with economic trends. Businesses must be proactive in their strategic approaches. Governments shape the economic environment through policies and regulations. These influence business costs, opportunities, and risks. Understanding government actions helps businesses anticipate changes. It's about adapting to regulatory landscapes. Businesses must stay informed about policy shifts. Political ideologies guide government economic policies. These impact taxation, regulation, and business operations. Companies must navigate these political landscapes effectively. Understanding political doctrines aids in strategic planning. It's about aligning business strategies with political realities. Fiscal policies involve government spending and taxation decisions. These affect demand, investment, and business costs. Companies monitor fiscal policies for strategic planning. Understanding these policies helps in navigating economic challenges. It's about aligning business operations with fiscal realities. Monetary policies control interest rates and money supply. These influence borrowing, investment, and economic growth. Businesses must understand monetary policies for financial planning. It's about maintaining stability in a fluctuating economy. Companies must adapt to central bank actions. The international economy offers expansion opportunities for businesses. Global trade and investment open new markets. Companies must understand international dynamics for growth. It's about leveraging global opportunities for business success. Businesses must be globally aware and responsive. Globalization increases market size and competition. Businesses face challenges from international competitors. Understanding globalization is key to maintaining competitiveness. It's about adapting to a global marketplace. Companies must innovate to stay ahead in a globalized economy. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the business economic environment. We hope you gained valuable insights into the factors shaping business strategies. Stay informed and adaptable in this ever-changing economic landscape. Your understanding of these dynamics is crucial for success. Until next time, keep exploring the world of economics.